Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 64 Highbury Road. This is a spacious 3-bedroom mid-terrace property located close to Heath Park and high street amenities. Also benefits from having a garden studio. Okay, and then moving into the first reception room. Really well presented throughout. We have this lovely log burning stove and bay window to the front aspect. And then moving through, we have the understairs storage cupboard on the right hand side, and then through to the dining room. Lovely feature fireplace, coving and picture rail. Then we have the door leading to the stairs, which lead in turn up to the first floor, and then through to the extended kitchen. And in here we have an integrated dishwasher, double oven, 4-ring gas hob, and fridge freezer as well. And 2 windows to the side aspect, and then the door leading out into the rear garden. Okay, then moving up onto the first floor, we have the landing area here, the stairs leading up to the second floor, and then at the front of the property have the first bedroom with fitted wardrobes. Lovely wooden flooring, picture rail and coving to the ceiling. And then across to the next bedroom. So space for a double bed in here, and then we have an aspect to the rear, and then through to the bathroom. Really nicely fitted. We have a separate shower, wash basin, toilet and large freestanding bath. Okay, then up onto the second floor, we have another bedroom which has a Velux window to the front aspect, and then 2 towards the rear. There's also useful built-in under eaves storage space. Okay, and then moving outside into the rear garden, we have a flagged patio area, which then leads on to the main garden. A small pond here on the right hand side, and then the main lawn section, where we have the garden studio, which has sliding doors to the front, and then a further storage area to the rear. And that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye for now.